One of the questions we were asked was, how do I know if I need a new battery or a new alternator? Or maybe I need both. Welcome to Mercy J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. It's a little tough to tell without actually testing equipment, but the alternator we need to test to see if it's producing the right voltage and to see if it has any bad diodes in it. Now, one of the things you can do that's kind of a simple thing is turn your key on. The battery light should illuminate, and if you start it and the battery light goes out, then probably your alternator's okay. If your car's starting but you think maybe your battery's weak, here's a little tip. Start it, stop it, start it, stop it, start it, stop it. A healthy battery will start your car about 12 times easily. If by the time you get to 8, 9, 10, it starts to crank over slower or it quits cranking, the battery's probably weak. Doesn't mean your alternator's good, but it does mean your battery's weak. But be prepared, because now you need to jump start it. So those are a couple of simple little tips you can do to kind of give you an idea without test equipment, but to know for sure it has to be tested with equipment to make sure it's right. So I hope this has been informational to you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.